going on a little fishing, hiking, camping, not camping, but adventure. And barbecue adventure. You guys get to tag along. Let's go. Fresh air. Oh. Hey, honey bunny. Right. Yeah. Adventure time. Be wild. Finally at Stamnared Lake. Best lake in the area. 5 minutes from our home. Time to get the kayaks out and some snacks. Might have some weather coming in.
Hey, there's water.
Yeah, it is water.
Oh.
Yeah, water. Look what Iris got for Christmas.
Will be big enough for her now.
It's a little camping chair. So she can come fishing and put her little drink in there. That is adorable. Look, Iris, it's your chair. Look. You want to sit in it? Yeah, it's a dog. Ruff, ruff. Ooh. Like proper cat burst now. Yeah. You waving to people. Right, let's get some snacks going. Snack pack. Do you want lunch? Butter.
All depends on the little.
Some mackerel. Start with one each. And then beans.
Back then.
Never seen John move so quickly ever, but he spotted a fish.
Yeah.
Oh, feisty thing.
Yeah, very fast.
That's a big piece of corn I ate. Bye bye, fish.
There we go.
First catch of the day. Time to eat. Time for maca and beans.
There you go. Thank you. Little cheese and tomato.
still barbecue, but it tastes a bit more like barbecued when it's fire involved.
It's the unhealthy part to it, probably.
A little bit burnt, a little bit smoky. All the healthy things. We are going off for a little walk, post-lunch walk, to see if Iris wants to sleep, because it's 2:15 and she hasn't slept yet, which is not a big deal, but I can tell she's going a little bit crazy. Turns out kids need their naps. But I like to be like flexible with them and take them when it suits me and her. Obviously, like if she's tired, I will try to get her to nap, but trying also to not be super strict with napping times and that she has nap at home. I would like for her to be able to nap wherever we are. So popped her in the stroller and we're off exploring. Ooh, it looks muddy. And I bet you that John is gonna catch the fish that he's trying to catch as soon as I'm not there. Just because I really wanted to see it. Hopefully she falls asleep soon. Some coffee. What was that laugh? Yeah, it was just my test throw. Oi. We're competing who can lose their corn quickest, right? Don't you think I could put this in? All right, so I just left baby and John on the beach to go out fishing on my own in his kayak. And this is the first time ever I go fishing on my own I've gone a couple of times as a like little kid, but then only meta. I don't know what that is in English. Like where you just hold the rod still and you catch like tiny little fish. But like proper fishing, never on my own. I've never taken a fish off the hook on my own, which is hypocritical. I feel like if you're gonna go fishing, you gotta do the dirty work as well. You can't just toss the lure out. But oh, a little flower, so cute. But it's time. I gotta learn. I gotta do this on my own. This is my solo fishing experience. All right, let's try it here. See if I don't drift into the bulrush first. So long ago I did this. All right, here we go. Straight in the, ah! No, okay, that's pretty good actually. Already in the bulrush. In the bulrush. Come to mama. Pretty good throw. Quite happy with that one. I'm feeling this spot. Yay, seaweed. I've tried this spot for a little while now. I'm gonna head to the other side of the lake, so over there, and see if I can get lucky. Also, there might be less wind there, so let's go and check it out. So I am back up. My camera died on the water. I forgot to charge it before I went out. So I didn't get to film what happened. Nothing happened. I paddled over to the other side, got nothing, paddled back to the first side. There was one bite. I didn't bring it up, but I felt something hook on and it was pulling me quite like aggressively. It wasn't just like the little jerky movements you get sometimes, it was actually like pulling me. And that combined with the wind, I was just like, why am I doing this? This is so stupid. Why am I out here on my own? And I had to, the whole kayak was pivoting, so I had to turn it around. Yeah, so I had to turn the whole kayak around so the rod wouldn't get stuck underneath it. So I did like a loopy-loop with my whole body to get the rod free, and then it came off. So I don't know if that was a blessing or if I missed out, but still pretty exciting. So after that I came back up to check in John on Iris, and now we swapped, so he's out. And he is doing about the same as me actually. He got stuck in the weeds as well, and he's getting blown all over the place. I brought my camera out, so I took some pictures of him right before he got stuck. Good morning. some food? Oh yeah. Yeah, cold toast is not the best, is it? Did you wake up a little bit cold? Do you want some milk? Yeah. You're welcome. And then you hold and you wait. And this is fishing. It's not more complicated than this. You see it? Yes. Oh! Wow! You think we caught corn, don't you? Oi! Yeah. Yeah, it is Papa. Right, half an hour later of fishing, catching nothing. I'm impressed she wanted to sit down for that long, actually. It's not too shabby for a 1.5-year-old. But it's time to get the baby backpack on and go for a little walk and see if we can spot Papa on the lake. Let's go.
Mama.
Yeah, we're gonna go see if we can see him. I think that's a path we can take. Let's try it. Can you duck? Yeah? Oh, sorry. It's tricky. You right? Did I get your face? Oh wow, it looks like a little camping ground up here. Cute place for a barbecue. Doesn't look that steep on the camera, but I think I can go here. I'm not wearing the best shoes, but let's give it a go. I'm hoping up's gonna be easier. Ooh. Yeah? How's it going? Back into the woods. We go. Where's your head at? I can't tell. This thing should come with a rearview mirror. There we have the lake. Hey, Papa. Cute little new shoots. Did you know that you can actually eat these? They have pretty citrusy flavor. Citrus and like green, if that makes sense. Yeah, the new shoots are softer than the old ones, so I recommend picking those. If you don't like the texture, because they are a little bit hard, you can always make tea. And they contain so much vitamin C, and they're really good for you. Although in Sweden we have this thing called old man's right, which makes it so that you're allowed to pick almost anything wild, like mushrooms and berries and stuff like that, and you're also allowed to camp anywhere and walk anywhere, even on private property. Some things are not covered by old man's rights, and this is actually one of them. What you can do is ask the landowner if you're allowed to pick, or pick on your own property, of course, if you live in Sweden. But yeah, worth it. Worth finding out who lives there and pick a little bit and put in some tea. It's delicious. Or just snack on it like this. The fisherman is back.
Det är starkis.
Hej! Hej! Let's get some tomato sauce on there.
Nom, nom, nom.
Was it okay?
Good.
When you can't resist one last quick fishing sesh, it'd be so cozy to just stay here. But this little baby needs to go home and sleep.
As a kid,
Okay.
so it's just.
What was the biggest fish?
I think 10 kilos.
All right, we're done for today. Had our outdoors adventures. Met a new friend. Yeah, they're cows. And he's gonna stay there the night. Super jealous because such a lovely spot to sleep. But it's 9 o'clock, so we gotta go home and get Iris to bed so she is rested for preschool tomorrow. And we didn't catch any more fish either, so hopefully next time we'll do better. But we'll see. Thank you so much for tagging along, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like these videos. And I'll see you guys again next week. Say bye! Bye bye!